If you are also confused between Django and Node.js frameworks for your web development project, continue watching this video to make an informed decision. Let's start with Django. Django comes with a myriad of built-in features, such as an ORM, admin panel, and a secure authentication system. This makes development faster and more efficient. Now, let's talk about Node.js. Its non-blocking, event-driven architecture makes it lightning fast, perfect for real-time applications. Node.js is well suited for handling multiple connections simultaneously. Scalability is crucial in web development. Django's scalability is achieved through a straightforward horizontal approach, while Node.js, with its event-driven architecture, excels in handling concurrent connections, ensuring scalability for both. Django has a large, supportive community, ideal for beginners. On the other hand, Node.js, backed by JavaScript's massive community. Consider the nature of your project. Django is perfect for projects where structure and security are paramount. Node.js shines in projects requiring real-time features, making it a go-to for applications like chat and online gaming. Ready to take the next step? Whether Django or Node.js, Value Coders is here to turn your vision into reality. Contact us today.